Okay, good afternoon, all of you. Okay, this is a topic on bone and cartilage, differences between bone and cartilage. Okay, we have completed uh, bone as well as cartilage. What are the differences between these two? This is the comparative study of cartilage and bone. Okay, cartilage, as you know, it is soft and flexible, whereas bone is hard and non-flexible. Okay, matrix of the bone is solid, soft. Sorry, uh, cartilage is solid, soft, semi-rigid, and pliable, bendable. But the matrix of the bone is hard, solid, rigid, and non-pliable. This rigidity because of calcium phosphate crystals. Okay, hydroxyapatite. Matrix consists of chondrin. Here, matrix consists of ossin. It is non-vascular. It is highly vascular. Bone is highly vascular. It is non-vascular. And collagen and elastin fibers are present in cartilage. We learned earlier in fibrous cartilage, in elastic cartilage, in hyaline cartilage. We learned there are fibers. Okay, here collagen and elastic fibers are present. Reticular fibers are not there. Bone has collagen fibers. It does not have elastin and reticular fibers. Here only collagen fibers are present. Less amount of salts are present. Chondroitin, sulfate. Okay, there are some salts, but they are less amount. Here, more amount of salts are present in the bone. And Haversian system is present. Haversian system we learned earlier. Okay, this is the Haversian system in the mammalian bone. Haversian systems are present. Haversian systems are absent in the cartilage. Does not have Haversian system, which is the structure and function unit of bone, otherwise called osteon. Endoskeleton of all vertebrate embryos. Okay, when we are also vertebrate. When we were in embryonic state, our endoskeleton was made up of cartilage. Okay, it is present in now we have in our endoskeleton. We are adults. In adults, okay, the vertebrate adults, most of the vertebrate adults have endoskeleton made up of bones. Most of the, not all vertebrate, most of the adult vertebrates have endoskeleton made up of bone and cartilage. Endoskeleton of all vertebrate embryos, fish embryo, amphibian embryo, reptile embryo, bird embryo, and mammalian embryos. Okay, in the all animals during the embryonic stage, endoskeleton is made up of bone. Okay, next one is the bone and cartilage remaining endoskeleton of cyclostomes, endoskeleton of cephalochordates, and cartilage fishes. Cartilaginous fishes are made up of bone. Okay, here I am not using the term embryos. Endoskeleton of cyclostomes, and all the time throughout their life. Okay, endoskeleton of cephalochordates, endoskeleton of cartilaginous fishes. Okay, in this animal, the it is made up of endoskeleton is made up of. Sorry, you have to change these. Okay, this is the cartilage. Okay, this is cartilage and this is bone. Her next endoskeleton is endoskeleton of cyclostomes, endoskeleton of cephalochordates, endoskeleton of cartilaginous species. Okay, it is made up of cartilage. Okay, not bone is not present. Okay, cannot produce bone cells, blood cells. It cannot produce blood cells, but it can produce the blood cells. Okay, you know that in bone has red bone marrow. We discussed that one earlier. Red bone marrow, yellow bone marrow differences. Okay, production of blood cells takes place here. Storage of fat in the yellow bone marrow. Storage of fat in yellow bone marrow takes place. Next, cartilage forms joints, formation of joints and reduce friction. It reduce friction, reduce. It cannot produce blood cells, but here production of blood cells, bone can form blood cells and storage of fat in the yellow bone marrow and formation of blood cells in the red bone marrow takes place. And cartilage can form the joints, formation of joints, and reduce the friction between the joints. And here bone maintains the shape of the body, it gives support to our body. Okay, this is the structural and functional unit of the bone. What is that? Osteon, otherwise called Haversian system. Osteon is also called Haversian system. Okay, if you look at this one, here there is the osteoblast. Osteoblast is young. Osteoblast is immature. You are the young people. You are active people. You can function. That means you can do jobs. But where the osteocyte, if you see the osteocyte here, osteocyte, osteocytes are not like that. Osteocytes are old. All osteocytes are matured. Okay, osteocytes become non-functional. They cannot do any work. You can compare osteocyte, site, okay, with the old people. Old people have sight. Most of the old people get sight problems. Okay, osteocytes are old cells. Okay, these are the bone cells, old cells. Okay, mature cells. Okay, they are not non-functional. But whereas the osteoblast, you are the young and dynamic blasters, master blaster. Okay, osteoblast is young. Osteoblast is functional. It is a secreting cell. Okay, where it is a functional cell. Osteoclast, it is a phagocytic cell. It is a phagocytic cell of the bone. It can phagocytize the germs that enter into the bone. This is the osteoclast. Okay, if you look at the Haversian system or osteon, which is the structural and functional unit of bone, we learned it consists of what are they? One is called Haversian canal. In the Haversian, there is a Haversian canal is present. Haversian canal. Okay, let's after that. In this Haversian canal, I told you there is a lymphatic vessel, there is a artery, there is a vein, there is a nerve. These all are present in the from this okay, they diffuse to this part. Okay, these nutrients diffuse to this part. Okay, now, okay, what is the other part? Haversian canal, we complete one part. What are the other one? Lamellae and lamellae. What lamellae? Okay, you can observe here, this is one lamella. What are present in the lamellae? Lamellae consists of collagen fibers. Collagen fibers are arranged in the form of lamellae. Between the lamellae, okay, between the lamellae, you can observe here there is a lacuna. Here they did not label that one. There is a lacuna, this white one. Okay, inside this lacuna, I will show you here very useful diagram here. You can observe here. This is the lacuna. What is this one? Lacuna. Okay, okay, plural word lacunae. Osteocyte lacunae, because okay, look at this one. This is the bone cell. Osteocyte. I showed you here. That is the osteocyte. Look at this one. This is the osteocyte here. This is the structure of osteocyte. Osteocyte, like a nerve cell, it has cell body. This one, like a nerve cell, it has processes. Nerve cell has, dendrite. Like that, it has cytoplasmic process. Okay, very important point. Many students find it difficult to understand here. Okay, this okay. Now I am keeping these cells in this part here. Okay, what is this one? Lacuna. Lacuna is a fluid filled space. This lacuna, unlike lacuna of the cartilage lacuna does not have any channels here. But these lacunae, one lacuna is connected to another lacuna. Who are connecting? These are called canaliculi. What are they? Canaliculi. What are canaliculi? They connect the bone, lacunae of the bone are interconnected by, okay, canaliculi. They also connect the lacunae with the Okay, Haversian canal also. They are also connected to the Haversian canal. Now we are putting these osteocytes in this place. Now the diagram is like this one. Embedded, embedded. The bone cells are fixed here. Now, if you observe here, okay, this part, this black one is in this. It is fixed here. Okay, this part is fixed here. It is fixed here, and this part is fixed here. This part is fixed in this part. It is fixed in this part. Okay, now if you see if you put these cells in this part, now it becomes like these are embedded osteocytes. What are these structures? These are called cytoplasmic process. What are these? That means one osteocyte is connected to another osteocyte through cytoplasmic process connecting them. One lacuna is connected to another lacuna through canaliculi. Canaliculi not only connect these two, canaliculi they also connect okay lacuna with the Haversian canal also. Okay, that is about Haversian system. This is the Haversian system, otherwise called osteon, which consists of three components. What are the three components? One is called Haversian central canal, Haversian canal, and surrounding this one here, there are lamellae are present. Okay, surrounding lamellae, surrounding concentric lamellae. What is the another component? The third component of that one is the third component is lacunae. Inside the lacunae, what are these three together called Haversian system? Haversian system is equal, okay, a lacunae, and next one lacunae, lamellae, and Haversian canal. These three together called as Haversian system, otherwise called okay osteum. Okay, those are the differences between bones and bone and cartilage, and structure of osteon, otherwise called Haversian system, which are not present in the cartilage, which are present only in the bone, and which are present in the mammalian bones.